Hi there. Long time since I've done a review, but maybe this is the correct time to do it. So I've got a new package from FedEx, as you can see, and since I'm busy, so I didn't have a lot of time to open it. I did open to see what is inside, so let's do it quick now. So this is what we have. I've already took apart the battery and I will explain in a minute why. So this is a digital radon detector, meaning it can detect the amount of gas, the radon gas, and this is a very poison gas that you don't want it to be in your living room or any room that in the house, and this gas is something that can cause cancer, and since it is very poison, so it's good to know that you don't have it inside your room. Generally this gas is in the ground, so it comes out of the ground, and if you are in a ground floor or the lowest floor that is near the ground, so there are more chances to get this gas in your home. So after reading some reviews, I have got to conclusion that this is one of the best. The company name is AirSyncs. It's doing a lot of detectors. This is one of them, and there are good and bad things. The good things is it's very accurate and it can give you a short-term average. You don't have to calibrate. It is doing something that is self-calibration, and it seems like one of the best on the market. The price is not cheap. It cost me about near $300. I will put the link in the descriptions. Okay, so let's open the box that I've already opened, and I will show how we get to all the details. So this is card something. This is like a discount for other things. Okay, this is the battery that I took out, and this is the detector itself. You have here also a manual in a few languages, and this is the battery that I took out. So let's insert it back in its place and understand why I took it out. The reason is that you don't have any buttons. This is what I don't like about this instrument. There are here some push button. You need a needle to get. You have a reset and a mode. I am not sure why they did not put on-off button. One thing that I can think about, because the radon gas detector works for a long time. It can work for months. So you have your first day and long-term average. So you need to test it, let's say, for about 1 or 2 months minimum to get the real values, and maybe this is the reason they did not put an on-off button, and they say the battery can last for 2 years if you get new batteries. By the way, you have 3 AAA batteries inside, and that's all. So now this is the first time that I'm activating. They say that it needs to be above the floor, and something not on the floor, like maybe on a table or the wall, and they have instruction how to install it. But I think that if you have a radon gas, so it's like a gas, it can be anywhere in the room, it can go from one place, can be more concentrated at a certain point, but I don't see the reason why they say to put it in a certain place. But this is what I have. So hope you enjoy from this one, and I will test it. And the reason that I'm activating it now, I want to compare I'm in apartment now that I'm on the second floor, and I bought in the same house a apartment on the ground. So I also want to compare what are the differences between the floors. So I will check it out and come to conclusion after let's say a few months. And that's all for now, and thank you and bye bye.